friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Diddly Houseplants. In today's video, we are doing a flip through of February in my Plum Paper Vertical Columns Planner. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, so starting with the index page, as I usually do, I like to just add a little bit of flair to this page. So I found this sweet little stick babe from my Happy Planner Seasonal Stick Babes book, and I thought I'd add her in with a couple of little hearts there. So let me just kind of even out my book here, and then we will flip right into the highlights page. So here I am using for highlights the Fern Creek Stickers Kit 104. It's called Hope. And this is pretty much mostly from the kit, except for this center circle here. This is a little script sticker that I got from Doodle Planner. I loved that quote, so I went ahead and added that in. Had planned to work on Emma's graduation photo book for her, and I didn't get to that. I did not empty out 3 bags, although the girls, technically, they did a nice cleaning of their rooms, and so I feel like we should get some credit there. I just didn't mark it off. Filled in with some of my memories here. We ended the girls' high school sports seasons, basketball and soccer. Big news was Otis getting his teeth cleaned. And then what I was reading, I finished Me After You. I believe I finished it in February, but I was slowly getting through that book. And then listening to Up and Vanished and then Wild Boys. This was an interesting podcast about a couple of boys from, they are found in Canada, but they're actually from California. So that was kind of an interesting podcast there. And then just what I was watching, I was finishing up Game of Thrones, continuing with Abbott Elementary, pivoting, and Just Like That, Home Economics. I watched Chernobyl. Oh my gosh, friends, I think I got all the way to like the last episode, but I haven't finished it. Like I stopped watching it. So I might need to go back and just finish it so that I can say that I did. And then I was watching The Gilded Age and Kimmy. So that was kind of a lot of watching going on in February. And then, oh my gosh, Otis's teeth. Don't look at that, friends. I don't even want you to know how much his teeth cleaning and gingivectomy cost me. But looking at the monthly view, again, this is that same Fern Creek Stickers kit, Hope. And so I just have pretty much, most of this is from the kit. Of course, these little sports icons, the soccer ball and the basketball, are from Planner Kate, as is these arrows here. Those are also from Planner Kate. These scripts here are from Fern Creek Stickers. They weren't part of this kit. They're just a sheet of stickers that I have. But they are also from Fern Creek Stickers. We had a couple of birthdays, my good friend Gilda, my niece Claire, my friend Libby, and then our brother-in-law Kevin. We went up to our cabin. Em had an ophthalmology appointment, which everything looked pretty good with her eyes. No real like permanent damage or anything from that concussion that she got. But what's great is now we have a baseline for her. So if she were to ever take another soccer ball to the face, we would kind of know where her baseline is. Sophie took her driver's test here on the 2nd of February. This girl, I think I mentioned it in my weekly plan with me's during this month, but she scored 100%. I was so excited for her. So her driving instructor gave her a $10 gift card to like one of her favorite fast food places. So I thought that was really fun. She did so well. So that's my monthly view. I loved using the wide washi here to cover up the boxes that aren't part of the month. I thought this looked really good with the little soft rainbows there. Okay, so flipping into week 1, this is a Fern Creek Stickers kit as well. It's kit 103 and it's called Bold Heart. I really loved the bright like turquoise and more of the like fuchsia pinks and reds here. So a lot of this is from the kit, but just looking at the sidebar here, these scripts, and of course my time stickers are from Phoenix Plans. And then this habit tracker is from Orange Umbrella Co. And then the scripts that I use inside of it are from Saya Planning. And then let's see, this here is from Nicole Hutch Designs. I like keeping track of when I'm filling my gas tank, friends, especially since I'm filling up 2 cars, my car as well as the girls' car that they share. And then just with the rising price of gas, it's really good for me to kind of keep track of how often I'm filling my tank. I, for my car, can get away with filling up like once every week and a half. almost 2 weeks, just depending on how much commuting I'm doing in terms of like driving carpools or kids around. But their car I'm definitely filling up every week because they're doing more driving than I am now. It's kind of crazy. Let me know how much driving you have to do, like commuting to work. I'm very lucky that my commute to work is very short. It's just the driving around to like go see my mom or go see my brothers and that kind of thing. Let's see what else. These to-do stickers here are from Saya Planning. This here is from Ever Changing Plans, the staff meeting script there. And then a lot of these scripts, these are from the kit itself. This little icon here, of course, is from Big Elephant Plans. And then this here is a sheet of stickers I got from Fern Creek Stickers. She had a sale, and so I picked up a bunch of little like mixed scripts like this. This little film icon here is from Big Elephant Plans. Budget Review is from Nicole Hutch Designs. And then this taco is from Ever Changing Plans. It was a leftover from a kit. Oh, this little edit is also from Big Elephant Plans. You can see there's like a film and edit. And then these scripts here are Fern Creek Stickers. Oops, my little F is folding down. And then the happy birthday, these are some leftover stickers that I found that I put in my hybrid album. These are from Planner Kate. So I think, oh, and Family Time, that's from Chrissy Ann Designs. I have a sheet of those that I like to use. Pretty good on tracking my meals. I did not do many like walks, just pretty much on the weekend now. So what I've been doing, since I'm not getting out early in the morning and walking as much anymore, is I'm doing my steps. So like here I did a walk in the morning, but obviously because it was a day off. But if I'm not able to go out on a walk before work, then I just record my steps for the day just to kind of see where I'm at. Okay, so I think that's it for this week. And then going into week 2, look at how cute all the pinks are in here. So this is a Orange Umbrella Co. kit. It's kit 108 and it's called Be Mine. I loved all the little postage, like the little love cards and love notes and stuff. These scripts here, these basketball games, these are new for me. These are from Orange Umbrella Co. as well. I've got my usual Saya Planning scripts for my habits, my usual Phoenix Plans scripts for basketball practice, soccer practice, and my times. This again is Ever Changing Plans. And then Nicole Hutch Designs here. And let's see, I think that's it. Pretty much everything else came from the kit. Yeah, I think so. So this was a pretty light week. I've got some planning meetings that I was doing, but pretty much like, look at this, games, and then the Super Bowl weekend. I tracked my meals. I did pretty good there. Again, put in all my steps, and then on the weekends I did actual walks. So, ooh, that was kind of a high day for steps here on Wednesday and Friday. All right, so flipping into the next week. This is Valentine's week, and so I chose this Planner Kate kit. It's called It's Love, and it's kit number 405. So again, same kind of thing. Saya Planning for the habit scripts here, Phoenix Plans for these scripts, and here, and my times. These cute little stethoscopes, these are left over from an Ever Changing Plans kit. Thought this was cute with the little laptop edit upload. These are from Fern Creek Stickers, I believe. My to-dos are Saya Planning. And then the soccer game, just like the basketball game, these are from Orange Umbrella Co. That same Family Time sticker from Chrissy Ann Designs. And then this was a tough day. We had the basketball team was in the playoff games, and so they ended up losing the game, but my Sophie got in there and scored the last 2 points of the game for our team. So that was really exciting for her. Let's see, again, Big Elephant Plans, this little shoe here. This one is from the kit, I believe. I have a lot of these little shoes that are left over from Ever Changing Plans, but this one I remember was with the kit. And I remember being kind of off a little bit because it's facing the opposite direction. So I had to put it on this side instead of this side because I thought it would look funny if the shoe was like walking away from where I track my steps. I don't know. That's just some kind of crazy little thing with me. But I believe this came from the kit. She's got a new format. And so some of these little icons here came with the kit, like this one as well. So again, trying to track what I was eating. So that was Valentine's Day week. Oh, it was so cute. On Valentine's Day, we didn't really want to go out. We just wanted to order food in. And it was so sad because I placed the order with a local restaurant. Scott went to go pick it up with Sophie, and we came home and they had completely forgotten his entree, like his dinner. And I was like, well, are you gonna like make it? Like, we'll come back and get it? Like, and then they were like, oh, we're out. I think he ordered lasagna. Oh, we're out of lasagna. So it was like this crazy story. I felt so bad. But anyways, we made the best of it. We were able to celebrate at home, and it was a nice dinner for the food that we did get. I just felt bad because we didn't actually get his entree. So that was our Valentine's Day. Okay, so the final week in February, this is an Orange Umbrella Co. kit, and it's called Love Note, and it's kit number 105. Here's that little sneaker from Ever Changing Plans. I was saying it faces the opposite direction, so I feel like it should go this way and on this side, and I like it here because I feel like that's the beginning of the week. Same Orange Umbrella Co. little habit tracker, and then my Saya planning habits, the Fern Creek Stickers film sticker here, Big Elephant Plans is the little icon here, again with Ever Changing Plans staff meeting. This President's Day is from a sheet of holidays from Fern Creek Stickers. And then these to-dos, I believe these are Fern Creek Stickers as well. Christiane Designs with the Family Time. Again, those leftover happy birthday script from Planner Kate. And then what else? I think that's pretty much it. Kind of all the usual. Oh, Taco Night. This is from Fern Creek Stickers. Again, she had a sale, and so I ordered a bunch of sheets that were this sort of mixed script. And I loved the Taco Night because we do make a lot of tacos here at our house. And then this was a great weekend. We headed up to our cabin, and we got to do some skiing. And oh my gosh, I was so happy we hadn't skied. And gosh, we think it's like 3 years since Sophie tore her ACL. And so we didn't ski during that whole time through her year of recovery, and then just basketball and getting her back in shape and, you know, up and running in the seasons. And of course, we didn't ski until after the season was over. Like, there's no risk of injury. And oh my gosh, I had such a good time. I love skiing. I grew up skiing with my family, and so it felt so good to be out there with my girls and Scott. So we had a really, really good time. And the snow was great. Oh my gosh, the weather was wonderful. Conditions were great. It was really, really a good time. Okay, so here's the duplicate week, which since most of it is in March, I planned in March, so we're just going to skip that. And then looking at my Clean Mama routine, again, keeping up on the dailies and the weeklies. This was just very simple. I put together with washi from that Bold Heart kit. This little heart here was a leftover piece from, I think it was from a Planner Kate, like a deco sheet from last year's Halloween, I was going to say, Valentine's Day. And then these are Planner Kate, just basic labels. These little petals here, this is from like a washi strip that I got from Michael's, and it's just like these little loose leaf petals. I have it in pink and I have it in blue, and so I just thought I'd add just a little touch of pink for the love month. And then all of my scripts, of course, are from Phoenix Plans. So there's that. And then going into the following week, the rotating tasks I'm pretty good with. Light fixtures are hard for me to do because I can't reach them. Even like climbing up on a ladder is really scary for me. I don't like doing that. So unless I can get Scott to get these down, I have a hard time with actually getting that done. Not a whole lot done in the monthly. The focus was the kitchen. I didn't toss or donate, but I did do deep cleaning on my appliances, took apart the refrigerator, that kind of stuff, cleaned all the most touched areas, decluttered the counters a little bit, scrubbed the sink really good. I don't really need to label and contain, and most of my stuff is fairly well organized, so I feel like my kitchen's pretty decent shape. It's really just a matter of keeping up on all of the appliances and keeping them polished and kind of clean. So that is it for what's in my Plum paper, but why don't we go ahead and switch over to my social media. So here we are. This is a planner cake kit. It's that kit 405. It's Love. So it's the monthly version. I loved this mix of like these little spots with the hearts. I thought it was so cute. And I love her fonts. Like I loved how bold the black February was against the pink hearts. I did get videos done. I was a little late in getting these done because our Wi-Fi went down. So I did miss a Friday of posting a video, and then I wasn't great with posting on Instagram. I'm just really falling off the wagon there, friends. Help me to get motivated on this. What I need to do is figure out, I know there's like a third-party app you can use where you can set up Instagram posts and just schedule them all in advance. So like, I need to figure that out. If you have suggestions or if you know what that app is, I can't remember the name of it now. Let me know in the comments, because maybe that's something I really need to look into, and maybe that will make it easier for me to post, because just like doing it every day, especially when we were in the thick of basketball and soccer season, was really, really hard for me. So anywho, I did the best that I could. Not a whole lot in February, but at least I got a lot of my videos done. I love my little checklist system here. This social media icon is from Saya Planning. These ones here, film, edit, and upload, come from Fern Creek Stickers. So I just love listing out everything and then check marking it and making sure that I have when it's going up live. And then this is really fun here too. I really like using this page here for this. So this month sticker here, this might have come from the kit. I can't remember now, friends, or it might have been a leftover sticker that I had. But up here, what I'm doing is the monthly kits. So monthly for my Plum paper, my budget, which is a happy planner book. This book here, my social media, which is an Erin Condren monthly, and then my Clean Mama, which is in my Plum paper. What I'm trying to do with the Clean Mama stuff is just kind of order maybe like some extra washi or use leftover washi from any one of my monthly kits that I'm doing. And then down here, I have all of my weekly kits. So I'm just kind of planning them out so that I know what I'm going to be using and make sure that I've ordered what I need for it. And then what I've done here is just using the notes page. This is really great. So what I did in February was plan out my March kits. And so I check marked as I either ordered them or if it was trying to use a kit that I already have. And so I was just kind of looking here, going over, like I just kind of put some dollar amounts in here of what I spent and my discount codes I was using. And then here, these are notes. Like this is notes that I wanted to talk about while I was filming my sticker organization. And then some notes with like plan with me's and my flip through and all of that. So I'm just using these pages for notes. And then I had a couple of, I started kind of looking at my April kits and what am I doing for April. So that's kind of how I'm using this. This is really, really coming in handy. So I'm really enjoying that. So that's it, friends. Oh, and I think in February, or maybe it was March, I ended up changing my cover. So if you didn't catch the Instagram post on this, this is the cover that I currently have on my planner. Let me take the plastic off so you can see it a little better without the glare from the light. But yeah, I love this. It just yells spring to me. I love this chartreuse kind of green here mixed in with the pinks and the navies. So fun. Alrighty, friends, that's it for my flip through. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.